tens of millions of people use foldable smartphones. And in a few more years, the foldables market is set to surpass 100 million devices.
If you have a complete flat fold like this, if something gets in it, it does the screen, whereas that The interesting thing is that foldable isn't for everybody, and I think that unless Apple does it, it won't be legitimized completely, but you can see that Samsung see it as key to showing innovation, driving differentiation, and in the case of the Flip, also pushing harder into a female demographic where they can see a real opportunity to try and seduce people away from iPhone.
Nothing wrong with running on a treadmill and walking on a treadmill, but I just find it a bit